Hello, welcome to Gladys Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about how to view TikTok watch history. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your TikTok account. The next thing is to click on your profile icon found at the bottom of your screen. Clicking on it, you just have to click at the three lines found at the top right corner of your screen. Click on settings and privacy. Click on accounts. Scroll and click on activity center. Click on watch history. So these are the different watch history you have. If you want to filter it by date, you just have to click all dates. You just have to click on the particular one you want to. If it's by yesterday, you're going to see the watch history by yesterday. By last week, you're going to see it. By last month, you're going to see it. Just click on apply and it's going to automatically apply on your watch history. You click on the date range, so you just have to type in the particular date you're looking for, and then it's going to automatically pop out on you. Now you just have to click on confirm, click on apply, and it's going to apply here. So you can see my watch history as of 8th January to 9th January. So guys, that is it on how to view your watch history on TikTok. If this video was helpful, do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.